here from This is Pocket Learning. Today I want to teach you how to boil eggs. Well, it's almost Easter, so we could boil eggs and then design it. The materials that you're going to need: a pot, ladle, a jug of water, and a bowl. The ingredients that you're going to need are just eggs. Let's get started. We're going to put the eggs into the pot. I'm going to put 3 eggs. And now, I'm going to put 1 inch of water in there. What is 1 inch? To help me, I have a ruler right over here. 1 inch is 2.5 centimeters, about the length of my thumb, from here to here, the second line on the bottom. Well, I'm not going to put my ruler in the pot, neither my thumb. So, I'm just going to look at my thumb and see how much 1 inch might be. I think that's 1 inch. Never boil eggs without an adult's supervision or permission. I'm going to ask an adult to help me turn it on. You see that? Green light means it's on. Oh, well, now we're going to wait 15 minutes so that the eggs boil. Okay guys, my eggs are boiled, but after you boil your eggs, ask an adult to turn it off. Okay, now I'm going to put some water into this bowl. I'm going to put in some ice. And now I'm going to pick up the eggs and put it in. Well, now that we have our eggs in this bowl, we are going to wait 5 to 10 minutes for the eggs to cool off. Okay guys, 7 minutes has passed and now my eggs are all refreshed. Now I'm going to show you how a boiled hard egg looks like. I have a plate with a bit of salt to eat with my egg. You could eat it with sugar, which I don't recommend. I'm going to crack it. Roll it. And I'm going to start peeling. Make sure you get every single shell off the egg, because if not, you're going to be eating the shell too. Okay guys, now I took off the shell and let's see how it looks like at the inside. I'm going to eat it with the salt. It should be like this, all cooked at the inside. It's so good. As long as you know that the yolk is not leaking, yolk is a yellow part, it's not leaking and it's not liquidy, then that means you have a hard-boiled egg. Guys, did you know that you need eggs because it gives you a great source of omega-3 that you really need in your body? In the next video, I'm going to show you how to decorate boiled eggs. Well, hope you guys had fun. Thanks for watching. Another reminder, my name is Grace from This is Pocket Learning. And see you next time. Bye!